Good morning, students. This is Anita, your subject and your class in charge, who is going to handle problem solving using Python, which is your core paper. Now, let me ask, what is computer science? Many people, if asked to define the field of computer science, would likely say that it is programming computers. Although programming is certainly a primary activity of computer science, programming language and computer are only tools. What computer science is fundamentally about is computational problem solving, that is, solving problems by the use of computation. There are various areas of study in computer science, including software engineering, database management, computer networks, computer graphics, computer simulation, data mining, information security, programming language design, system programming, computer architecture, human computer interaction, robotics, and artificial intelligence, among others. Computer science is fundamentally about computational problem solving. Let's see the first topic, the essence of computational problem solving. In order to solve a problem computationally, two things are needed: a representation that captures all the relevant aspects of the problem and an algorithm that solves the problem by use of representation. Let us consider a problem known as man, cabbage, goat, wolf problem. A man lives on the east side of a river. He wishes to bring a cabbage, a goat, and a wolf to a village on the west side of the river to sell. However, his boat is only big enough to hold himself and either the cabbage, goat, or wolf. In addition, the man cannot leave the goat alone with the cabbage because the goat will eat the cabbage, and he cannot leave the wolf alone with the goat because the wolf will eat the goat. How does the man solve this problem? There is a simple algorithmic approach for solving this problem by simply trying all possible combinations of item that may be rowed back and forth across the river. Trying all possible solutions to a given problem is referred to as a brute force approach. What would be an appropriate representation for this problem? Since only the relevant aspects of the problem needed to be represented, all the irrelevant details can be omitted. A representation that leaves out detail of what is being represented is a form of abstraction. The use of abstraction is prevalent in computer science. In case, is the color of the boat relevant? Width of the river? The name of the man? No. The only relevant information is where each item is at each step. The collection location of each item in this case refers to the state of the problem. Thus, the start state of the problem can be represented as follows. In this representation, the symbol E denotes that each corresponding object is on the east side of the river. If the man were to row the goat across with him, for example, then the new representation would be for the man and the goat W, whereas for the cabbage and wolf as E, in which the symbol W indicates that the corresponding object is on the west side of the river. In this case, the man and goat, the location of the cabbage and the wolf were left unchanged. A solution to this problem is a sequence of steps that converts the initial state, in which all objects are on the east side of the river, to the goal state, in which All objects are on the west side of the river. Each step corresponds to the man rowing a particular object across the river. As you will see, the Python programming language provides an easy means of representation sequence of values. The remaining task is to develop or find an existing algorithm for computational solving the problem using this representation. As another example computational problem, suppose that you need to write a program that displays a calendar month for any given month and year. The representation of this problem is rather straightforward. Only a few values needed to be maintained. The month and the year, the number of days in each month, the name of the days of the week, and the day of the week that the first day of the month falls on. Most of these values are either provided by the user or easily determined. The less obvious part of this problem is how to determine the day of the week that a given date falls on. You would need an algorithm that can compute this. Thus, no matter how well you might know a given programming language or how good a programmer may be, without such an algorithm, you could not solve this problem. In order to solve a problem computationally, two things are needed: a representation that captures all the relevant aspects of the problem, and an algorithm that solves the problem by use of representation. Thank you for listening patiently. Stay home, stay safe.